it's Jim at Thunderbolt Lock here today to show you a completed installation on a new Chevy Express. This vehicle has a swinging side door as opposed to an optional sliding side door. And what we've done is we've installed our Thunderbolt lock inside behind the door panel on the passenger side rear door. This vehicle allows the installation on the passenger side rear door as opposed to other vehicles where you need to install it on the driver's side rear door, run your wiring over because of an extended lip on some applications. So we've installed our lock assembly inside here, our override cable off to the right, and our housing, as you can see, riveted into the end, and it strikes in the opposing door, and also we have that secured with rivets. The side door application is just like the rear door. We've installed it, again, behind this door panel itself. Again, our override cable. And the best spot on this vehicle to install the housing was lower in the door near the factory latch itself. We were able to catch our factory door lock motor wiring right at the latch in each of these doors, so it controls off of your factory remote control. And you can see the opposing door will accept the bolt when you activate the lock itself. Now on the Chevy Express, they've always had a power door lock circuit that stays live all the time. There's a lot of new vehicles where the factory door lock switches in the front doors, they'll go to sleep after a short period of time. The Express would be vulnerable where someone could actually get in, access the factory door lock switch, and be able to unlock the door. So what we've done is we've converted the unlock circuit just by using a relay and catching ignition power off of the window switch, where the doors will lock, but they will not unlock until the ignition key is turned on or the vehicle's running. We've done that on both doors to provide the extra amount of security that you would need. We've installed a security system on this vehicle also. As you can see, with the Thunderbolt lock activated,